Hello YouTube. Let's write really simple Python script that will ask us IP addresses, and it will ping that address, and when operation of pinging is done, it will ask us another IP. So it's basically constant user input. We're gonna use while loop to do that. So while true, we will grab user input. Target will be from keyboard, so please enter IP to ping, and little bit of space here to user input to look nicer. Now, if target equals 0, will provide us, equals quit, will provide us option to get out from script. So every time when you have user input, you wanna have something small that when user type it, it will exit application, the script will terminate. So in this case we will break, but we will also print script finished or terminated, something like that. It's really not important. Now, if everything is fine, we will continue with normal operation, which will be OS system. And when we are dealing with running applications through script in Python, we need to import OS module. So ping, of course, what else? Number of packets, we will define that with n, for example 10, and then of course pay attention to this, create space between number of packets and last single quote. Yeah, if you don't do that, the script will not work properly. And plus target, so we are grabbing a target from here. Okay, so pinging IP address with 10 packets through OS system. I think we are good. And yeah, let's clear screen after every ping. So OS system clear screen. I think we are cool. Let's save it. The name of the file is constant ping. But anyway, let's run it. Enter IP, which will be localhost. Cool. So that works. Bugger off. Let's change this to 4. I mean, 4 is default, so let's just remove this custom number of pings. Let's run it again. Some IP on my subnet 100. I think that mobile phone is on 102, something like that. Maybe another phone is on 101 or 3, I don't know. So this is good stuff to check your Wi-Fi if they are activated mobile phones or other devices. So nothing, if yeah, destination host unreachable, that's cool. So that IP is not existing. Nice. And when you wanna quit, just type this, and that's cool. So let's see how that clear screen works. cd python what? Oh yeah, cd python ls dir what was the name? Constant ping. Yeah, python constant ping. Let's run it. Cool stuff. And that's great. Let's check some domain. That works too. And Yahoo. Cool. Anyway, it's boring, but it works, you know, it works. Cool stuff. Now you can play around. For example, you can create some kind of header here, like print line times 79 and oh, sorry, you need to do that after you have cleared the screen. That's right. Custom constant pinger version 0.1 whatever, and what, yeah, that's cool. So let's run it again. Local Yoast. So entering IP addresses is what you need to do, well, at least when you're dealing with localhost. Anyway, that's cool. What will happen if you enter some kind of custom string? Nothing, but script will continue working, which is excellent. Cool. That's about it. 7 minutes tutorial, really simple stuff. So as always, thank you for watching, for support and subscription. See you in next tutorials.